Have you ever spent hours searching for information online and at the end of the day end up frustrated or disappointed? Okay, in this video we are going to talk about the various search strategies we can use to explore and get information online without getting so much tired or frustrated, and to make sure that at the end of the day you come up with the adequate research you wanted or adequate information which can help you in your work. Make sure you have subscribed, you have shared the videos we've shared already, and make sure you at least comment so that I know how going on with the videos, or I can improve on our videos, or what do you want me to present you in the coming videos, so as we stay in touch. So at the end of the day we shall have to get information very fast and efficiently without even putting in too much. So search strategies, we are going to learn about the different search strategies. By definition, a search strategy is a plan or method used to symmetrically find relevant information on a particular topic or search question. Meaning these search strategies is just a plan which you can lay to see how you can find information online on a particular research question you're dealing with. So this may involve use of key concepts, selecting the search terms or even the search tools you're going to use, and how to combine those terms and tools to retrieve the most relevant facts or results from a database. These search strategies may apply to Google, they may apply to a database, may apply to a spreadsheet, or you are looking for information in how we can use these search strategies to get the information which you may need. These search strategies which we may look at may include identification of key concepts. For example, have a search topic like tourism in Uganda, we can get the key concepts from that. Like, are they asking about the effects, factors, or what about tourism? What are they asking about the tourism? We have to get the key concepts in the question for our search. In our search we are looking for. Then selection of search terms. Which search terms are you going to use? Are we using Boolean operators, truncations, or which terms are you using to search? Boolean operators, what are they? Truncation and wildcards. So this video is just to introduce you to search strategies so that we can know about them. These search strategies are very useful in our daily research. They are very useful when you are researching for information. They will help you get information very easy and effectively. So this is just an introduction. In the next video we are going to learn about those various strategies and how we can use them online. So best practices and tools and tips when you are dealing with such strategies. Make sure that you use keywords. Avoid vague terms, like when you're using a lot of terms which are very big. Make sure like your terms are small and understood by Google. Don't overput irrelevant terms when you're searching. You may end up getting information or disappointed. Check search results. When you have searched, make sure you check in your results what have they brought you and sort out what you most need. Then use multiple search engines. If you have tried Google, you also try Microsoft Explorer, Microsoft Edge. You also try another search engine which you have come across so that you get the best results. So in these videos we are going to deal with search strategies. How can we deal with the search strategies? How can we find out about searching? That's what we are all going to deal with in search strategies. So among the search engines we are going to use, we may use Google, as I said, or Microsoft Explorer, Microsoft Edge to look for information. So here we shall search for the various search strategies, and in the next video I believe by the end we shall have learned how to use these search strategies. I encourage all of us to continue exploring about such strategies, identify what are they so that you can use them in our learning, in our research, in everything we do. They are very basic and we all ought to learn them. So we shall go through our different search strategies. You see, when we go to Google, they're already showing us the various search strategies we can use. How to develop a search strategy in search. Literally, we can get all these things we use in the search, whatever search engine you are using. You see here we are getting the top search strategies. Everything, you just have to have the information literacy skill with you, and everything will literally go on well as long as you're using effectively your information literacy skills.